To get a promo code for Pocket FM, follow these steps. Open your preferred browser. In the search bar, type Pocket FM promo code and look through the results for relevant websites that offer deals and discounts. Choose a website from the list and open it. On the selected site, explore the various offers and deals available for Pocket FM. Scroll through the page, and if you find an offer that interests you, click on it to access the promo code. Once you have the code, copy it to use during your purchase on Pocket FM. You can also visit other websites listed in the search results, as they might provide additional offers and promo codes. This straightforward approach will help you easily find promo codes for Pocket FM.